let's start with real energy. You can try whatever I do, you can try to follow me. I'm sure you'll be definitely full of energy. Okay, at least not you will get tired, you'll get a sleep, and then you will get rejuvenated with the energy, right? So let's start with the rubbing of our palms. You all will agree with me that something, any action in our life, if it is repeated to certain extent, there is a threshold of it, and after that threshold the whole dynamic changes. So you will find that some of the people, they'll start rubbing it. After that they will get bored. They'll say, boss, this is something which is just increasing the temperature of my palm, nothing is going on. Okay, what energy this person is telling me, right? But ultimately it will work. I'm sure it will work, because that when you cross that threshold, after that the changes occur, right? So these changes are very important. I'm sure those who have very strong right hand, they may have little bit ache in their right arm, right? Little bit ache in their right arm. Some people may have an ache in their left arm because they are doing it continuously, right? So when we walk on the road, we walk with lot of our chest inflated, right? We don't want to bend down. That is the first thing that we lose our energy. So when we walk, we found that we have straight backbone, and at the same time we have weak arms, right? You'll find many people, they stopped it, or they might have slowed it down so that to protect our arm. So let's continue it. Second, let's rub our nails over each other, correct? Do not rub in such a way that your nail will take out the blood from the nail root. Let's start it. Very simple. One very important point which I would like to mention here: energy, start of unleashing of energy is very slow. It's like the first moment of aeroplane or a very big train. It just started with a very small, quick jerk to it, and then it has immense energy. Similarly, the body energy increases with very small actions. Very small actions. Let's start it with one small mudra. 1 and up. Try to touch your forearm with your ear. This way, straight up. Your tummy is depleted completely. Tummy is depleted. Straight. It has a namaskar mudra. Your breathing is normal. Your backbone is straight. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Do not hold your any breath. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Take a deep breath and slowly breathe out. Bring your hands to normal position. Take a deep breath again. And very slowly breathe out. Again breathe in. Again breathe out.